Hey everybody, it's Melissa here, and I have decided to update a video that I created a little while ago about this issue with duplicate transactions importing into your Wave account when you have an Etsy sale that goes through PayPal. So basically, Etsy has updated a few things, and in the past, you had the option of either of using Etsy Direct Checkout or PayPal or both, and they were connected separately. So you directly connected your business PayPal account to your Etsy shop, and people could pay that way, and it would deposit directly into your PayPal account. Or you could use Etsy Direct Checkout, which was their way of processing credit cards, and that would be paid to Etsy and then paid out to you on a regular schedule. Now, as of this recording, which is December 1st, 2015, Etsy has added a new option to integrate PayPal into your Etsy Direct Checkout. So I will talk about that in a separate video, but I just wanted to clarify that this solves an issue if you are still using these two payment systems separately. So this is that you have Etsy Direct Checkout and you have PayPal Checkout going to your PayPal account. You don't have PayPal integrated into your Etsy Direct Checkout. Hopefully that's not too confusing. So here's the thing. In the past, I made this elaborate video and I worked really hard with an Etsy seller out of San Diego, and we talked about how can we resolve this issue of this duplicate income, and she didn't want to delete anything, and so we came up with this workaround using a negative income account. You can still use that system, and but it's complicated. And so I want, if you don't want to use such a complicated system, it just came to me. I don't know why I did not come up or realize the simpler solution earlier. So if we have our Wave account connected with our Etsy account correctly, we will have all of our Etsy sales depositing into a shop payment account, which is basically a holding account for your Etsy sales. And then when Etsy takes that money and deposits it into your checking account, you do a transfer. That's in a different video, so please make sure to look on my YouTube channel or in the course that you're viewing this in on how to set that up correctly. So I am assuming that you have already set up your shop correctly. So here we have an issue, and this is the issue that we're talking about. And we have two examples here. So this is a sale, and it's for $95.75, and they paid via PayPal. So we see this dollar amount coming in and showing as being paid to PayPal, and coming in and being paid to the Etsy shop payment account. Here's the thing. This money never went into your Etsy shop payment account. That doesn't exist. That's a lie, basically. And that's where the issue comes in. If you're using Etsy Direct Checkout, then this would be the correct transaction. They paid through Etsy, the money got deposited into your shop payment account, and then you got your regular weekly deposit from Etsy. That's not the case on these sales. This person bought through your Etsy shop, but they checked out via PayPal. So the money got deposited directly into your PayPal account. So it's okay to delete this transaction. This one right here that says Etsy shop payment account, as long as you leave the one that's PayPal, you can delete this transaction because this money never went into your shop payment account. So now I can delete that, and the same thing, this is again a duplicate transaction here where they paid and they checked out via PayPal, but Etsy's saying, oh no, we got paid too. Well, no, it didn't ever go into your shop payment account. It went directly into your PayPal account. So again, we are going to delete the one that is pulling in from Etsy. And now you only have one transaction for each sale. So the income is only being claimed once. Now it can, all your reports will look correct, because as long as you're claiming it as the right type of income, these are your Etsy sales. These are your Etsy sales. They'd still, even though this money went directly into your PayPal, it came from Etsy. Now, if you had sent an invoice via PayPal, say you had something that you needed to correct, or you had some custom order that you decided to not run through your Etsy shop, and you just sent them an invoice via PayPal, then you wouldn't want to claim that as Etsy sales. But if you put the right type of income and the account that the money actually went into when it got paid. So if they paid via PayPal, it went into your PayPal account. If they paid via Etsy Direct Checkout, it went into your shop payment account. That's how you track these sales. So the ones that are duplicate, where it's saying, where they paid via PayPal and it's showing up saying you paid in the shop payment account, you can delete those duplicate transactions. And this is going to make your life so much easier. So, but just make sure you don't delete the PayPal transaction. You want to make sure you only delete the duplicate. So that is the solution for duplicate transactions. It is okay to delete the second transaction that's going into your shop payment account. Feel free to comment on this video if you have additional questions, or shoot me an email. You can find me at whaleybookkeeping.com. And soon to be launching the etsybookkeeper.com. All right, thanks guys, and I will see you soon.